Morning, everybody. Oh man, I've been adding another outlet, man. It's the hallway. I know sometimes we have the fan plug up over here in the side, but there was no outlet around. Just had one inside the middle of the hallway right there. So what we did, a little tap on install. That's what I'm doing right now. Bring them to the light switch. You see all these right here? It's like the main wires for this room. Black and white. So I was tapping. Not every light switch got a tap in, but other day ran the wire down here. Run it down the back wall. Sometimes you gotta check these walls just to make sure there ain't no stud in between. If not, they'll make it impossible for you to add an outlet. You know, you can go to Home Depot, Lowe's, buy one of these plastic outlet boxes, which I did. Just cut the hole out. Like a regular knife, all you can use like a little buzzsaw knife. Either way it goes. Brought the wire in. So that's what I'm doing right now. I had no way to hold the phone, man, so I'll get back with y'all once it's finished.